Hello everyone, my name is Bindya Chaudhary and I am from Add January batch. Today I like to discuss about the topic collection framework in Java. So what is first we see what is collection. So collection is a group of individuals or a group of objects which represent a single entity is known as a collection. So why we need collection framework? Because if we used to store a data using a variables, then we have to create variables. If we want to create 1,000 times, then we create 1,000 variables, and it consumes more time and more memory location. After that, we have the concept of array. So array we can store a multiple elements, but using a single object, but in that there are no predefined methods which we can use, and the length of the array is limited. Length is fixed. The length of the array is fixed. Once we create an array, we cannot increase the size of the array. So to overcome this because to overcome this we use a collection framework. So in collection framework, we can use a group of object to represent a single entity. That's why we use a collection framework. So collection in Java there is a collection framework, and in C++ there is a STL library, and in C++ there are a collection interface, and in C++ there is a container, and in Java there is a collection. So collection framework are very important for storing a larger data set, and the size of collection framework are growable. We can increase the size or we can decrease the size, and it collection is work as a, if we define size, if we don't define the size, is create a array according to it, and the size will we can after the elements are filled and no space is vacant, then it create the it internally create the double array, and it shift the previous array element to the new array, and the size is created by the using the formula that current capacity into 3 by 2 plus 1. So this is the formula for for internally creating the size for a size. So this is all about the collection framework, and in collection framework we have interfaces. So first is a interface, second one first one is a iterator, and after that second one is a collection. In collection there is a list, set, queue, and in list there are a linked list, array list, and so on. In set there is a set, sorted set, set map, and that's all. In a queue there is a w-ended queue, and that's all. So in that we will discuss about what is the difference between list and sort. So in list, in array list, we can store the elements into a we can store a duplicate element, and the elements are in a proper order as we entered in the order, and in sets the elements are not in a proper order, but they doesn't include the duplicate element. To overcome this, if we want a sorted element in a sets, then we use a sorted set for that. And that's all about these things. Just like first we have a iterator, after that we first is the iterator interface, and collection. What is collection framework? Collection framework is a in a collection framework we get ready-made methods which we can use directly and perform operation on a list, array, stack, and that's all. So there is a literacy class in a collection framework which is a stack and vector. So that's all about the collection framework in Java.